Alright guys, the crafting work is finally complete. Now let me quickly walk you through the components. These are all the hardware parts required for this build, and over here we have all the electronic components. As you can see, for this project I am using a custom built transmitter and receiver. I have already shown how I built the transmitter and the basic receiver in one of my older videos, but in that video I didn't cover how I made this receiver with an external antenna. So in this video let me show you how I built it and integrated it into this RC car project. I started this project by designing the circuit in EasyEDA, converting it into a PCB layout and exporting the Gerber files. Then I uploaded them to glcpcb.com to order the boards. Big thanks to GLCPCB for sponsoring this video. GLCPCB is one of the most reliable and affordable PCB manufacturers out there. They offer everything from standard and multi-layer PCBs to advanced 6-layer PCBs, flex PCBs, PCB assembly and SMT stencils. Using 6 layers really helps in complex designs. It gives more routing freedom, cleaner signal paths and saves a lot of time. Ordering is very simple. Just upload your Gerber files, select your PCB specifications and place your order in a minute. The interface is beginner friendly and gives you instant pricing. After a few days, my PCBs arrived and as always the quality was excellent. Right now GLCPCB is offering a limited time deal. You can get 6-layer PCBs for just $2 and a $33 coupon using the link in the description. Now that the PCBs are ready, let's start soldering the components onto the board. Alright everyone, the PCB assembly is now complete. Next, let's move on to uploading the code. You will find the code, circuit diagram, Gerber files and the related video link in the description. As you can see, both the transmitter and receiver are working perfectly. So now without wasting any more time, let's move ahead with the final RC car build. Before we continue, a big shout out to LTM for sponsoring today's video. LTM is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, LTM has something truly valuable for you, LTM Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the LTM Student Lab today. Now let's get back to the build. The entire car frame is built using PVC pipes, but to give this car a more complete and finished look, I 3D printed a canopy which is completely optional. Now let's fix it onto the car and go for a test drive.